Over the last decade and a half, Whale has been the leader in designing and manufacturing water heating systems for RVs. Since 2015, Expanse, the lightweight, powerful and space-creating water heating solution from Whale, has changed the possibilities of vehicle layouts in the UK and European RV markets. Its unique design means Expanse can be installed underneath or on board the vehicle. The underfloor model frees up valuable living space inside, while the onboard model fits almost all van conversions. Easily controlled using our intuitive heat control panel, Expanse has fast heat-up times and excellent heat retention. You can be assured that hot water will be available when you need it. The 8-litre tank provides enough hot water for comfortable showers in short succession, making the most of the limited but valuable resources in your vehicle. Expanse is simple to plumb using Whale Quick Connect fittings, and models are available in gas and electric or gas only, perfect for both on-pitch camping and off-grid adventures. Enjoy freedom with Expanse. For more information, please visit whale.navico.com.